Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys a super quick tutorial on how to find your default gateway or IP address on Windows. Before we jump into that, if you're interested in purchasing Windows 11, Windows 10, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so this is a super simple process, but we figured we would cover a video of it just because it's helpful to see things visually. So we'll go ahead and hit our Windows key. We're going to type CMD. Okay, enter, and we'll go into our command prompt. All we have to do from here is type in IP config and press enter. And here in the output, we're going to get several different numbers. So we're going to get a set of numbers for our wireless or Wi-Fi connection, and then we're going to get a set of numbers for our Ethernet adapter connection. This is also called the default switch. So here we have a subnet mask, we have an IPv4 address, and then same thing up top for Wi-Fi. We have our IPv4 address, and then our default gateway, as well as our subnet mask. Now, if you need any of this information for any reason, this is a super simple way to pull that up at any given time. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you found it helpful, we'd really appreciate a like, comment, subscribe, and share. And feel free to drop any video ideas you'd like for us to cover in the comment section below. Again, if you're interested in Windows 11, Windows 10, or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links in the description below. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.